that after the church we are heading the home and season of September, end of September, and you can see now it's heavy raining fall.
Yes.
And yes, nice the car coming.
Now we are going inside our home. Okay, wait,
So
uncle.
this is our PN campus, one of the best university in the Pokhara.
Oh yes, best university. Oh my goodness.
So I'm here, my bamboo labor from here.
Yes, and a bike stand. We have to
University.
turn around. Ooh. It's raining very heavily. Oh, so cold. Oh. Look, you can see but here. Okay,
One of the best
season. What will be one of the best? No, not best.
Yeah, this is my favorite season. Rainy season.
But I don't like rainy.
And after this season, winter season is coming, which is I really don't like. I hate winter season.
I prefer all season. It's a part of nature.
Yeah, I know, but
As you can see, there's too windy plus rainy.
and this is one of the oldest library of
Western region. This one is the biggest library also. Look. Oh, कति जाडो भएको. Today is Saturday, so we came back from our church service.
stay tuned with me.
कुमारी अगाडि जान छिटोमा जाडो भइसक्यो.
Any questions, Sunita?
No, I don't have any question right now. Oh, which one is my? Oh, this one. Let's go. Oh, not this one. I like.
I just like a Tesla car.
Tesla car. Oh my goodness. Oh, I like this. Super steady. And that's the hostel. Ooh. As you can see, I don't have any umbrella. Look, the sky is crying. Oh no. There's a plastic. Okay, bye. Oh, so bye bye. This was for today.